you're looking for a reliable binary option strategy, you've got lucky that clicked on this video. Usually I trade on currency pairs and provide 9 out of 10 winnings on my Telegram channel, but today I'll show you how to trade on gold. What is the difference between the gold and currencies? Gold behaves more smoothly, and our task is to use it in the most profitable way. So today we will use 3 minutes trade, which allows us to make a calm profits. Also, we will get an overview on RSI and moving average indicators. Let's set the indicators. Set the RSI indicator and set 10 minutes in a period column. Next step is to set the moving average indicators. And yes, we need exactly these two lines. Put 2 on one of them, then duplicate the period of the previous indicator, in our case 10, and color it green. Another one we should color red, and 30 points in period. Now we see the main line and the help line, also using these 30-second candles. Our goal is to compare these two lines with the meaning of this indicator and enter trades at their values. Set 3 minutes time of expiration, and we see that the RSI indicator shows us the change of the trend, so it goes down. Expect the same from the green line and put it down. So note that the indicator didn't interrupt the upward line, so that shows us that the market is in a stable position. We got the perfect result, clear win. So use this strategy and take your profits. This also works with the silver. See that the indicator has repeatedly crossed the yellow limit marked 30, and its further behavior means rebounding upwards. So going in with an up trade and expect an easy profit. Right now market is in its perfect position, and I hope the same will be in my evening trading session. I provide 16 signals with 90% accuracy in my premium hub, so you can start earning on trading daily and stably. Also, we can work together and I will explain you every detail face to face. You see, we have a clear win. So join my community and win with me. Let's do the same with the oil and make a black gold into our source of income. Again, we look at the RSI indicator. So we see the crossing of the lower yellow line, and the same moving average curve shows us a clear downtrend. Take a trade and wait for the profit. Simple working strategy that you can use on daily basis. Also, you can modify it as you like. For example, change the candles or the time of expiration. You are free to create and have fun here. Detailed explanation of this and the other strategies you can find in my Telegram channel by the link in the description. So here we have a fun and working together every day. So join trades and be successful.